Alright.
Hey guys, humanami og shop karon ng snack nami kay gigato andre coffee milk coffee burger di si mas may yummy happy tummy tangsan
Right.
tangko kita di kami nanimba tayo nang lahos na lami og shop na malit niya musutan kay we got no time for tomorrow, Sunday, so I need to rest because I'm working in the evening.
Oh, yes.
So, and then tomorrow we're resting and stay indoors, cooking and do something home chores.
I never got no potatoes.
And you, what you forget?
I forgot potatoes.
Potatoes. You can get that in maybe in other shop. There's Coke.
Yeah. I will.
And your tummy, look at that. Your tummy. Na kaniya mong kuan guys. Ngadto na lang pod mi kay napikan mi maguli pa mi magluto pa so nagmalit na lang sa mediani sa burger chips
And chips.
yeah and a coffee coffee instead of soft drinks or coffee lang sa yun lang sa muna video for today. Have a good day and enjoy everything that you do. Pray God bless. Hello nga on me kay gustong mag-shopping. Have a good day. Have a good day, Han. Oh, nagtaon naman dahil siya. Sorry, Han. Kita yang hungit.